Hey, what's up guys, man? Today we're in Xiaomi, man. Today I'm in Xiaomi. I want to show you guys like their brand new phone. It's called the Xiaomi like 17 Pro Max. So let me show you guys the store and everything. I don't know much about the phone because I'm not like a specialist or very like professional person when it comes to like phones and like all that kind of stuff, but I'll show you guys the outside. This is basically like their store. And all right, cool, let's go. So these are some of like the appliances they have in here. All of these are Xiaomi products actually. This is like a VR headset and all this stuff. Those are like the TVs and stuff. Same here. Okay, so anyway, our video for today is basically the phones. Yeah, these are pretty crazy, man. Look at this here. So this is the Xiaomi 17. We have the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, Xiaomi 17 Pro, and these are the prices currently in China. You guys can see the 12 GB RAM, 256 GB is basically 5,000 RMB. So divide by 7 and that's the price in dollars. So here, this is a bit small. I think this is the 17. Yeah, this is the 17 Pro, definitely. So this is the small camera. This is the very viral camera that everyone is basically talking about. You long press, long press, and you can change any other themes in the phone. Next here, this is like the time, and this bird. This is a really funny bird. You know, when you shake it, it moves. When you double click here, it kind of like, you know, moves and stuff. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. So this is the phone, and most of the apps are actually in Chinese, and this is like Taobao for buying stuff. This is Xiaohongshu and everything basically. WPS, this is for the maps. Yeah, this phone is pretty fast actually. Okay, next one, let's see the camera. All right, this is basically its camera, and we can like zoom out. Okay, let me hold it properly. All right, this is the camera. Zoom out. This is 1x here, 5x. Whoa, that's very clear, man. Right, so we're looking at that boss kind of like, is it a speaker or something? And then 10x. Whoa, that is crazy, man. 10x. Cool, right? Okay, now let's see how about me here. So you guys can see me here. You guys can see me, and bro, the front camera is pretty crazy too. Yeah, front camera is also pretty cool. Next, and yeah, this is the 17 Pro. Let's see on the sides. It almost has the same design as like the 17 Pro of the iPhone, but yeah, we don't know. Oh, it doesn't have an always on display. You can actually like go off just like the others. Two big cameras here. Yeah, so cool, right? This is the 17 Pro, and you guys can see the lineup here. All right, now this one is pretty big, pretty huge. Wait, why is the alarm on? There's an alarm, bro. So this is the 17 Pro Max. Sorry guys, 17 Pro Max here. The 17, oh guys, sorry for the alarm. I don't know why it went off. I don't know, bro, like I'm not sure. 17 Pro Max basically 12 GB RAM and 512 gigabytes is 6,000 RMB. That's not even close to $1,000. Whoa, man. So what color do you guys like? We have the white color. Okay, the alarm is off. The white color, this is like green. This is like military green, right? And we have, oh, this is again white too. And we have like the purple. This is kind of like purple and stuff. So let's try with the purple, right? It also has the same design as the smaller one, the 17 Pro. This is the Max. Long press, and we can change whatever themes we want here. And this is the phone here. Let's go up. these are kind of like the apps and everything. And here, oh, this is in the settings basically. These are the kind of like the settings and stuff, right? My phone here, this is, you can see, so 17 Pro Max, 512 GB, 16 GB RAM, if I'm not wrong, and this is like the OS, all right? Next one, we can also see it has the small display here, the island, the one like in the iPhone, basically the same thing. But for this island, bro, you can actually like, it has very many other, you can actually touch it and, you know, change some stuff here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Next, let's see the camera. Maybe the camera is sort of the same. Pretty good, right? And okay, so there's no side. Remember, like on the 17 Pro Max for the iPhone, we have this side thing here. It's not there. So we can press 5x. And that's their car, bro. That's the Xiaomi YU7. So I can zoom to 10x. Jeez. Now that's crazy. Look at the 10x here. And it's very clear actually, like also me looking at the phone is pretty clear. That's also the car for Xiaomi. Crazy, right? You guys look at this. Look at this. So let me lock in only on the phone. Sorry. Oh, okay. I don't know why the camera is not doing. All right. Maybe if I move back a little bit. I only want the phone. Okay, cool. Now you can only see the phone, right? Yeah, this is crazy, man. This is good. All right. This is like the SIM slot and everything, basically. Yeah. So I think in our video, we also have the Mix Flip 2. Right? Mix Flip 2. Guys, I don't know how to do phone reviews, bro. Damn. But I'm just trying anyway. So this is their flip phone. Very small, man. It's very small. Like you can even put it like in your pocket and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty small and, you know, pretty cool. But wait, it's not on. I don't know why it's not on, which is pretty crazy. Oh, sorry. This one is on. This one is on. It also has the bird. This bird is really funny, man. Yeah, this is a pretty funny bird here. Okay. So let me see. You can actually you can use the phone here if you want, right? The apps are here. All of the apps are here. What else? Like this is Pinduoduo, like for buying stuff, right? We have WeChat. I don't know. This is Xiaohongshu, and you know it's charged on 100%. How do I make that? Okay, and flip it, and flip it, flip. Okay, now this is the full phone. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty cool, man. Let's go in the settings and my phone. Okay, it runs on Hyper OS, like that's like Xiaomi's OS, you know. And these are like the specifics for the phone, right? Cool. Let's see the camera. 2x. Let's see here for like the car and everything. All right. Damn, it can 20x with this, bro. This can actually 20x. Okay, this is pretty good. Let me see on the front camera. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, the front camera isn't as good as I expected. Yeah, front camera not really good, but it's fine. So let me show you guys around the phone. We have 2 buttons here. We have a really big camera. When you make the phone, when it's long, man, the alarm keeps going off. Alarm keeps going off. I don't know why. But anyway, this is the whole phone, right? It's really cool, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's really cool. And let me unflip it. So when the phone is unfolded, the back part doesn't work. But when you fold, then let me put this on, then the back part works. But wait, let me see the camera. If I use the camera on the back part, this is like the clock. Where is the camera? Bro, where's the camera? Where are you, camera? Where is this? Okay, right here. Okay. All right, I think it's pretty good. Oh, and the thing is, oh, wait a second. Do you guys see this small thing here? This one. When you're taking a video of yourself, it's also showing like the back part, definitely. Oh, this is the last picture, sorry. Okay. Yeah, and how much is this phone actually? No, this is the 15 Ultra. Oh, here, 5999. So basically also 6,000, right? And then we have their watches. These are like the wrists, on the wrists, right? Wow, this is pretty cool. This is like my favorite actually. I really like this one, the yellow one and all that kind of stuff. And here, this right here, bro, you put it on your Xiaomi and then you can play like games on the 17 Pro Max. Let me try this. This here is more like it's more like a Game Boy. Is it a Game Boy or what? Bro, can this go on? Wait a second. Okay. I don't know if I'm allowed to even remove this. Damn. I can't remove this because when I remove it, the alarm goes off. This one. Anyhow. All right. Oh, okay, cool. All right. That's sick. That's really cool. Alright, cool. So basically, like this directly connects. It looks like a phone case, but it fully connects with the phone, and then you can play some games on the very small screen here. You guys see this is pretty sick, man. This is pretty cool. You have to long press on the power button, and then here it goes on, and yeah. Sorry. Okay, cool. Down. Okay. Why? Uh-oh, what am I pressing? A. Oh. Okay, so I can change like the games. Let me say, how is okay? X. Okay, it's loading. Let's see, it's kind of loading and everything. All right, and then click A. All right, now we're in. We're gonna play. This is one of like the best, let me say like a phone protector or phone case that is cool. Okay, press A. What game is this? This is like Angry Birds? Oh, this is Angry Birds. Press B. I don't even know how to play this game. I don't know, bro. Okay. Oh. Up. Okay. And then A. Let's click A. Oh, this is Angry Birds. This is Angry Birds. Okay, anyway, guys, so this case is basically for the 17 Pro Max, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. You can put it on the power, you can play very many games, bro. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So this small screen behind here, it has so many functions, bro. So many functions. You guys can come here in this store. This store is in Wukesong in Beijing, and then you guys can basically do your thing, right? Okay, removing the phone case, it's basically the same thing. What is he doing? Okay, so this goes here. Bruh. Cool. And then the phone kind of like goes on. This case, I found it here, so cool. Yeah. How about the watches? Okay, watches also pretty cool. Watches are fine. These are like touch screen and all that kind of stuff. Bro, they have a design that almost looks like the the Apple Watches, right? But this is cool though. Yeah. They're fine. Then I click here. Yo, almost looks like the Apple Watch for real. Really looks like one. This is like the running app where like you kind of see your running stuff and everything. So yeah. All right. Okay. Now, how much are these watches though? This one is like 600. This one is like 380. Now these are like their big watches. The ones for like the big boys. You feel me? Yeah. Pretty expensive too, bro. This is like 1,700, bro. God damn, bro. Really cool, right? Really cool. And then, you know, we have like the running stuff and everything. Okay. All right, so right here we have all the apps, man. We have WeChat. No, man. Okay, we have like WeChat, we have the calculator and everything, right? What else do we have? So many apps, man. And that's like the behind, right? That's the behind and all this. Yeah. Cool. Pretty sick, man. Pretty cool though. What tablet is this? Oh, these are the buds for like Xiaomi. More like the AirPods or stuff, basically. Yeah, and these are like for the earphones for like listening and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. So, all right, let me remove this. Okay, guys, I think we're done with Xiaomi. I just wanted to show you guys like their phone, the 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max. Wait a second. Oh, okay, wait. I think we have like a 17. So this is their 17. The difference is the 17 doesn't have the small. The 17 doesn't have the small what is it? Screen, just like the others. You see this screen here, this screen here. The 17 is just like 3 cameras and flash. But I'm gonna tell you guys, it's basically the same thing. Same phone, just like a different design. Look, guys, look at the sides, down part here, right? And then we have this 2x5. Its camera is fine, you know. It's okay. It's okay, really. Like there's really nothing big or much about it. Yeah, bro, this 17 is kind of making me like really light skin, bro. Really light skin. But I don't know. Anyway, so it also has like the island thing here. You can actually change some things in the island, you know, which is pretty cool. Let's go to the settings. Where are the settings? Right here. And yeah, also works on Hyper OS. And these are like the stuff for the phone, like the, what is it? Details of the phone, right? Yeah, it's a nice phone. It's pretty cool. And how much is it? It's close to like 4,500, 5,000, bro, 5,200 for 1 kilobyte and 16 GB RAM. That's crazy. So yeah, that's the whole lineup, right? Whole lineup. All right, guys, so I think this is the end of our video. I just wanted to show you guys like a quick tip on the new phones for Xiaomi, bro. And I think the prices are pretty good given the RAM and the space of the phone. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, share, and yeah, ciao.